There's a few different ways you can iterate over an array list to analyze your data. Come on, let's learn some Java.
In this example, we're going to use a for each loop to iterate over the array list. The for each loop iterates over the elements of the list, not the indexes. We would use a for each loop when we want to access each value in the list, but we don't want to change anything about those values. So in this case, the values of the list are of type string. So for string name, and then the name of the list. And we're going to print out each name to the screen. So string name will start off being Liz, and then we'll print Liz to the screen. And string name will then become Emma, and Emma will be printed to the screen. Then John, and John will be printed. Then Austin, and Austin will be printed.
Be sure to like and follow, and check out the links in our description.